And let the one who has no sword sell his cloak and buy one.
Alright guys, we got the SIG Mosquito full size today. We're going to take it apart. There's a couple of things. You're going to need an Allen wrench, 2.5 millimeter. You've got an Allen down in there. We're going to just take this thing all the way out. And then this pop off. Now we're going to take this, swing it all the way around, just like that. We're going to pull back and up, just like that. Alright, so we've got this apart ready to clean. Pull your spring out, and that's all there is to it. So we're going to put it back together. I like to go spring in this end first. Now this part's a little cumbersome sometimes, it's kind of hard, so we're going to get the spring down in there, like that. And we're going to really start wiggling it. And you really got to play with it to get it back together. And basically what we're doing was we're having to get so far this way, then it will just drop down. But until we get it to drop down, we've got to get this lined up, and this is really tight down in here. So we've got to get it back together. Alright, after a little playing with it, it come back, it sat down. Now we got it all the way seated. We're going to go back forward, just like that. I'm going to go ahead, flip that around. I'm going to put this back on. And then we're going to put the Allen, and we're going to tighten it all the way down. You know, you don't have to go He-Man tight, but you need to be fairly tight. Putting it back on like that, because it's such a tight tolerance, it takes a lot of practice or a little bit of play. I just had to go off camera and kind of get it close to my body. And once I got it close to my body, I was really able to get a little bit of pressure behind it as I pull back. Now it's put together and it's ready to go do some shooting. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks.